Did you know you can literally get paid to watch videos online? It sounds fake, but this one is 100% real and works in 2025. The site is called Inbox Dollars, and it's been around since 2000. They partner with major brands and advertisers who want your attention, and they pay Inbox Dollars, who pays you. Here's how it works. You create a free account, and once you log in, you go to the Watch TV or Videos section. There, you'll find video playlists, ranging from cooking to entertainment to news. You'll earn small amounts, usually 1 to 5 cents per video watched. But if you leave the playlist running in the background while doing something else, the earnings add up. They also offer bonuses and daily streaks to help you earn faster. Plus, you can combine it with surveys and cashback offers to hit your payout threshold quicker. Once you reach $10, you can cash out via PayPal, gift cards like Amazon or Visa, or even receive a physical check. Is this going to make you rich? Not at all. But it's passive income while you're watching content anyway. And yes, I tested it. I earned $27 in just a few days by multitasking. If you want more websites that pay you to do simple things, subscribe and check out my next video on how to make money with AI tools like ChatGPT. Start today and earn a little something while you relax.